We started Monetizr over 2 years ago and solving very specific problems of mobile game developers that I mentioned earlier. After having 26 clients on board and using our SDK, we realized that there has to be a better way to make this experience of unlocking a physical product or earning a discount towards the physical product of a game. And we asked ourselves the questions, how do we make it more gamified across the whole gaming experience? And we actually had the opportunity to talk to Nolan Bushnell, who is actually one of the founders of video games at all. He not only created one of the very first video games called Pong, later he founded Atari and an arcade which is called Chuck E. Cheese, which was the very original arcade that gave popularity to video games, and it introduced the model of rewards that you can earn in exchange for physical goods. So having this feedback from our mentors and our advisors, we talked about ways how we can get the same experience that got video games popular in the first place and bring it back to mobile games, which are lacking a lot of the original exciting pieces about games, meaning that you have to play and reach certain achievements and get something in return for it, so you could brag to your friends. And this whole social experience kind of is missing out right now. And having our previous experience with blockchain technologies and following this space very closely, we just identified that having this tokenized gamification system inside games that enables gamers to earn rewards based on their achievements, their skills, and their time that they spend inside a game, that they would have the opportunity to earn something in return, to earn a free t-shirt inside a game. That will be a super great experience for those gamers, and at the same time, this increased engagement from gamers benefits the game developer because he's able to increase his profit and revenue from the game because he extends the life cycle of the game for a longer time. And why blockchain technology is important here, because it enables the gamer to be in control and the rewards and achievements that he earns. He's able to take full ownership of what he has earned and take it from one game and from one platform to a different game or platform. And he's able to create a personalized profile that he can use across games. This also gives the advantage to the game developer to better know how gamers play his games and have more information about new gamers joining the game based on the playing behavior of previous games. It also just creates a system of openness and transparency and trust between all the parties involved. For example, if we sell a certain product inside a game, we do split the profit 50-50 with the game developer. And having each transaction recorded in a blockchain as a proof, very open to everybody involved, that he's able to check the amount of transactions and what kind of transactions these were, we create an environment of trust and openness that